The world is changing and evolving. So are the technologies that accompany them. But not all innovations are the same. Some may indeed lead us to chaos. Imagine a world where devices that are supposed to help humanity become our undoing. From gadgets that invade privacy to tools that foster crime, these inventions are lethal and can truly unravel the world as we know it. Today we're counting down the 15 new gadgets that, instead of making our lives better, might just do the opposite. Stay tuned, because you won't believe how easy it is for these devices to end up in the wrong hands. Number 15. The car key grabber. This is meant as some new level of convenience, having unlocked your vehicle or pressed your starter from something little more than a pocket fob. And the new kind of technology brings costs along with it. Car key grabber is a device small and available virtually anywhere that can snatch a signal from your key fob, which is how it convinces your car that the real key is in. Picture thieves easily zoom off with your car. This is the world we live in. And with these gadgets now easily accessible, the process of stealing cars has simply become a matter of a button click. Number 14. The LawMate clip camera. Surveillance technology is no longer a thing meant only for authorities. The LawMate clip camera may look like a simple piece of accessory, but the actual design is as a high-resolution hidden camera, therefore, it can film secretly. Even though marketed under surveillance purposes, improper hands can use it on invasion of privacy. With this, everyone will be caught spying without their full knowledge. Imagine how all movements will be recorded against consent, all by a one wearing simple clip camera. Number 13. Multipick Kronos. This Kronos electric lockpick gun was originally designed for locksmiths and emergency responders. However, it has become the favorite of some criminals. Breaking into homes and businesses is now surprisingly easy with this electric lockpick. The silent motor and small size raise rather unsettling thoughts about how easily someone with malicious intent might acquire such a tool. The notion that our sense of security is at the mercy of something that can be bought over the internet is deeply chilling. Number 12. Data destruct hard drive eraser. Have you ever wondered what happens to your data when you leave old devices behind? The Destruct Hard Drive Data Eraser is a military-grade device that ensures no shred of data remains. It might seem like a useful tool, but think of the dark side criminals who use it to erase evidence of their crimes, permanently erasing their digital footprints. It's an invention that casts a shadow over the divide between safeguarding and subterfuge, which in many respects can be a dangerous tool. Number 11. SRTYH listening device. What if someone was listening to each word you were saying without you even knowing it? This SRTYH listening device, an invention originally for construction and repair work, also had a secret application of quietly listening through walls, floors, and even doors. With a very sensitive metal probe, one can have the ability to overhear any of your private conversations quite easily. Really, this thing is a danger to privacy and security in one's personal space. Number 10. A mini GPS tracker. The GF07 mini GPS tracker is a small but powerful device that can be attached to a car or any metallic body. It was designed primarily to track lost items, and surprisingly, it has emerged as a tracking device for unwitting persons. This tracker allows the user to listen in on conversations taking place next to the device. Imagination stalkers and criminals using this system for tracing their victims without even the victims knowing. It is a scary truth showing how easily our personal lives can be taken away. Number 9. Night vision goggles. Night vision technology has outgrown its military origins. Tonight, anyone can buy night vision goggles to explore the dark in all its fullness. While some use this equipment to hunt or observe wildlife, one cannot help but remember that it would also be employed by evil people with malevolent intentions to spy on others, for instance, or invade property under cover of darkness. The ease at which this technology is accessible to anyone changes everything and makes darkness a less dependable cloak. Number 8. Keychain knives. A knife concealed in a keychain appears to be one of the harmless emergency kits, but this trend is towards using those keychain knives as concealed weapons. To the ill-intentioned individual, it would serve as an instrument for attacking or intimidating. As intended to be covert, such a brilliant device is made to afford any person the ability to carry a deadly instrument without arousing suspicion. That is how a pretty trifling thing may have tremendous and perilous influence on society. Number 7. The security tag magnet remover. The security tags were put into stores to stop shoplifting. A magnet remover is now commercially available, making it quite simple to remove these tags from garments. Shoplifting is increasingly more common, and since this device exists, it is a very easy crime. If this keeps going, businesses will lose money that can never be retrieved, and that would simply and naturally spill over into the economy, increasing the cost of goods for all of us. Number 6. Pocket chip. The pocket chip is an extremely cheap portable computer. initially meant to be used for educational purposes, as well as DI electronics. Just like any other open-source device, however, it does mean endless capabilities to run malicious scripts or access unauthorized networks. Something which once meant as a learning resource for creativity could turn out to become a tool for digital disorder. Number 5. Handheld cell phone jammer. It had the benefit of blocking cellular signals in a localized area, making it ideal for use in cinemas, classrooms, and hospitals. Equally so, it can be used to disrupt the means of communication for devious purposes. Imagine someone using this device to block calls in an emergency situation, resulting in chaos and loss of lives, for it was a dangerous power to decide who could communicate and who could not, and in such hands would have been a disastrous thing. Number 4. The USB kill stick. It will be really pretty much a regular-looking flash drive, but not really. Placed within any device, it's more like unleashing an intense electrical shock to all computer innards of either the house, the living room TVs, or even in an on-vehicle computer, making this tool a deadly, expensive piece of weaponry causing heavy damage technologically, financially. It's a lot of power that would allow a firm or government institutions to completely destroy such a device, as well as personal property. Number 3. Signal blocker pouch. The signal blocker pouch concealed carry-on bag blocking all wireless signals, both GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular communication. It was first created in defense of vehicles against theft through signals coming from a key fob. Its uses might also go more malevolent for a dastardly person. The signal blocker may become helpful in canceling tracking signals of a stolen device or disappearing into thin air while conducting clandestine operations. In a world where reliance on connectivity to maintain safety exists, the idea that people can disappear digitally creates unease. Number 2. Printed guns in 3D. 3D printing has brought along wondrous innovations, but concurrently it has unleashed terrifying possibilities, that being one of the alarming ones: 3D printing guns. These can now be printed in one's house with a 3D printer and are impossible to track since they don't carry serial numbers. This would certainly have far-reaching consequences on public safety, and the fact that plans have become readily available online exacerbates the situation itself. Number 1. Deepfake technology. Deepfake technology uses the power of artificial intelligence to create strikingly realistic but completely fabricated videos of individuals. It started off as a form of playful face swapping in videos, but quickly became a powerful tool for spreading misinformation and damaging reputations.
Second youngest son. He's suggesting it came out of nowhere. What we subsequently learned is it may have come from the former president or his legal team acting in bad faith. This is a deepfake example of what is possible with powerful computer and editing.
Deepfakes can destroy the truth, brainwash the mass mind, and even initiate riots. It is an important reminder of how technological advancement, with some abuse, leads to disastrous results. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.